Choosing a window replacement company in New Orleans is a significant decision for any homeowner. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or replace storm-damaged windows, the right contractor can make all the difference. With so many options available, it's essential to know what to look for to ensure you receive professional service, quality materials, and lasting value. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you choose the best window replacement company in New Orleans. Start with local experience. New Orleans has a unique climate and architectural style, which makes local experience a must. A company familiar with the city's weather patterns, such as high humidity, heavy rains, and hurricane threats, will know what materials and installation techniques hold up best over time. Look for companies with a strong presence in the New Orleans area. They'll likely understand local building codes, law requirements, and historic preservation rules. Plus, local contractors are easier to reach if you need service down the line. Check licensing and insurance. Never hire a window replacement company without confirming they are properly licensed and insured. A Louisiana contractor's license ensures the company meets state standards and has passed regulatory requirements. Insurance is equally important. It protects you from liability in the event of a worksite accident or property damage. Ask for proof of both general liability and workers' compensation coverage before signing a contract. Evaluate their product selection. The best companies offer a wide range of window styles, materials, and brands to suit your home's architecture and your budget. In New Orleans, impact-resistant and energy-efficient windows are especially valuable due to the region's weather risks and energy costs. Check whether they offer vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, or wood windows, Energy Star certified product, storm or hurricane-rated windows, custom window sizes or shapes. A knowledgeable representative should be able to walk you through the benefits of each type and make recommendations based on your needs. Assess installation expertise. Even the highest quality windows can fail if they're not installed correctly. Ask whether the company uses in-house installers or subcontracts the work. In-house teams typically offer more accountability and consistent craftsmanship. Additionally, find out if the installers are certified by manufacturers. This not only shows training but may also be required to keep your product warranties valid. Review customer feedback and references. Online reviews and testimonials give insight into the customer experience. Look for companies with a strong reputation on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau. Don't just rely on star ratings. Read specific comments about punctuality, cleanliness, communication, and after-sales support. For added confidence, ask the company for recent customer references and follow up with them to ask, was the work completed on time and within budget? Were you happy with the results? Would you hire them again? Understand warranties and guarantees. A solid window replacement company stands behind its products and labor. Be sure to ask about manufacturer warranties on the windows, labor or installation guarantees. What is and isn't covered, and for how long. Be wary of companies that are vague or offer extremely limited coverage. Get a detailed estimate. A professional company should offer a clear, itemized quote, never just a lump sum. Your estimate should include window brand and specification, installation scope, cleanup and disposal, permitting, if required, timeline and payment terms. Compare quotes from at least 2 to 3 companies to ensure you're getting fair pricing without sacrificing quality. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is an investment in your home's comfort, beauty, and value. By choosing a New Orleans window replacement company that's experienced, certified, and highly reviewed, with a strong warranty and transparent pricing, you'll set yourself up for a smooth, satisfying experience. Take the time to research, ask questions, and trust your instincts. The right partner will not only deliver great windows, but peace of mind for years to come.